Yeah, he's going to see the mama. I'm gonna put it outside right now. Look at what we have here, guys. We have a pet here. Look at the bird. Yeah. Look at that. I found it outside. It can't fly. Look at that. It's a baby.
It's a baby one. It's newborn.
Yeah, it's a newborn. And then, look at that.
So cute.
Yeah, look at the baby one. Hindi siya, makalipad pa. Look at the wings. It's not ayan, hindi pa siya mahaba yung wings niya. Oh. He's a baby. And I think he's hungry, James. I think he's hungry. I don't know what the food can give to the bird. Yeah. Jim look at that, like touching the bird. Oh, look at that. I was outside sitting on the chair, and then I saw it on the ground, and then I just grab it, and then I let this to fly away. Later on, I just want to take a video to show it to you guys. What I found outside, and look at the bird one. Oh, he's hungry. He's a baby one. I think it's newborn.
Yeah,
So
it's
it can fly. Yeah, and you like that. You like touching. Oh, look at James. What's his name, James?
What should we name him?
Yeah. Did you see that? Oh, Daisy. Are you Daisy? Oh, he's looking on the camera also. Look at that.
He's looking. I'm looking.
Yeah, he's looking on the camera. He said, what's going on here? Oh. My number one favorite pet is a bird. I like bird. Yeah.
Probably hers is dog. Second.
My second is the fish. And the third is the dog. Oh, Jim. Look at that. Hindi nga siya makatayo ng properly. He can stand properly. Look at the leg. Oh, look at that. Now he's standing. Aboy, tamay. Yeah, he's going to see the mama. I'm gonna put it outside right now.
No.
Yeah, let's put it outside, honey.
No, please.
Why?
Birds is kind of cute, not that. I'm scared.
Oh, now he's learning how to fly. He's learning how to fly.
Oh, he's learning.
So I'm gonna put it outside now.
A few moments later.
Look at there. Oh, the mother is over there. Is going there. Yeah, look at there, guys. Oh, yeah. And the mom is on the top. There is something food to the mouth. So it's giving the food for the bird. Yeah. Look at that. He's running away. Signing at the AMAO'S family. Thank you always for watching. Bye-bye.